Look at this mess.
It's a mess, alright.
She made some thick ass.
This is really thick, yeah.
some thick ass mud slides.
I know. Well, what do you want from me?
But it made some mess over here, and it's all due to whatever is wrong with this thing. I thought it was on something underneath here, but if you look under here, it's clean. It's not under there.
It's not clean. It's on the top.
It's on top, yeah. Well,
look at this though. There's oil everywhere.
It's a freaking mess. It has to do with whatever's wrong with down here. That's a freaking mess.
We need paper towels.
Ah, nasty. All right, give us the drinks and shut the hell up.
Go away. You're not gonna put that on.
Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're gonna fix this VITA-MIX 5200. All right, guys, as you saw, this whole thing is leaking. This is why. This whole thing is loose. Okay. She says there's oil leaking out of it, but it's not oil. I think it's just the grease coming out of this bearing. Okay, the bearing, look at it, looks kind of shot. Plus it doesn't spin. Okay, it's very tight. So we're gonna change the blade in there. We're also gonna change that gear socket because this gets worn out. What else? This is everything that came with it. So we got a new blade. The gear socket came with a nice Allen wrench, a gasket, the bottom piece, and this is a tool to hold this bottom piece while you're putting everything together, okay? So let's do that. All right, guys, first thing we're gonna do is gonna take this piece off, and this just twist off. You might have to hold it from this side. This one was already loose, so it was easy. All right, so that came off, and this whole thing come out. All right, guys, make sure you clean this up before you put everything back together. You're gonna take this gasket, there's like a little ridge here, you're just gonna put the gasket on it, like that. And then you're gonna take your blade, and you're gonna put the blade in with the gear coming out, okay? Like that. Now you're gonna take this piece, and you're gonna put it with the tabs facing out, and screw it in clockwise. Okay. Then you're gonna use this tool. Tighten it up. All right, next step is changing this gear socket. So to do that, make sure it's unplugged, by the way. Take this rubber piece off. And if you look in the back, see if I can show you. In the back, that's where you're gonna put the little Allen key, but you gotta line this up. And there's a little arrow here. See the arrow? You're just gonna line up the arrow to there. See it? Boom, that's your Allen key. So you're just gonna take your little Allen key, put it in there, and take that off. All right, she's good to go. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.